Dímelo Corillo! What's up guys? My name is SMT PAPI and you already know I'm coming in hot with a trade recap of today. It was indeed a losing day, but we lost 1%, but I mean, we can't do nothing about it. It's just the way it goes. It's trading. We bounce off of our trading, we risk manage, and then our next trade is going to give us double, triple what we lost. So let's kind of go into what I was seeing. I took it off of US30 because I saw that NQ was let me see something. EQ100 this is my chart that I use. Let's see this. I saw NQ heading lower while US30 wasn't making lows. So at this point right here, 10 a.m. candle wiped all of this sell side liquidity. So I was like, okay. And I saw that NQ1 took out this sell side liquidity, but it was later after my trade, which I didn't know we were going to hit previous day low. But I knew we were in a 1 hour fair value gap. We were going to bounce off of it eventually. You know what I'm saying? That's what I usually take my trades off of. 1 hour fair value gaps, 15-minute sell side liquidity runs or buy side liquidity runs, low resistance liquidity runs. So look, 10 a.m. right here, bounce off these fair value gaps. Let's go down to the 15 minutes, see what we can find. Yep, exactly, boom. Look, right at 10, I saw fair value gaps being filled and taking the trade. Unfortunately, the price didn't go my way. There's nothing really that I can do about that because I knew our drawn liquidity was higher. I took 2 trades that lost me 1%. So as you can see here, it took 0.5% right here. Ended up just getting ran through, stopped out immediately. I used my quarterly cycle, so I knew this was accumulation or continuation of the trend, accumulation range. What do we do here? We manipulated both previous 2 quarters, right? But as you can see in NQ, we just decided to puke. I was trying to, obviously, as you guys know, I am a 950 macro trader. So I was looking for a trade in this macro, but right after 10 a.m., because there was 10 a.m. consumer confidence news, right? This candle just puked. Didn't really give us any setups, you know what I'm saying? There's not really a setup that you can take here. You could probably take the Judas swing and then a retrace back into this, but hey, I don't usually trade the Judas. I stick to my rules and my plans. So the 950 macro didn't give me a setup. 10 a.m. I saw displacement, so I'm like, okay, 950 macro is displacement. I should have waited till the 1050 because 1050 usually reverses or something if the 950 macro displaces. So as soon as I saw this, look at this. All of this sell side liquidity was ran. As you can see right here, all of this sell side liquidity was ran at the 10 a.m. So I'm like, oh, perfect. SMT. You know my name, SMT PAPI. They don't call me SMT PAPI for no reason. So look, this quarter hasn't been taken out. Midnight open hasn't been taken out. What did we do in 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. candle took out midnight opening price. So I'm like, okay, we're looking for a reversal here. But I think I just entered too early on this trade. So as you can see, I tried taking it off of 10:12 just a random time. It's right after the macro. I should have waited for 10:20. So look, I tried taking it as inversion. I should have actually, because I didn't think we were this is not good risk reward. Let's be real. This is a 1 to 1.4 risk to reward. Like if we could have used standard deviation, like this would have reached, you know what I'm saying, right there, that would have been like a 2. So it's not really good risk to reward if I take it from here. So I was like, okay, let's try to put it under these lows right here. And then I got stopped out immediately. I can't really do much about that. And then I was like, okay, let's see. We could take another trade. We still haven't lost 1%. So I entered off a 1020 macro after this retraced into 62% of this price leg, right? And then what do? I tried setting the stop loss the same way right here so we can hit good risk to reward. That would be a 1 to 3.5. You know what? We got stopped out, and then this is the SMT. You still had SMT right there. And then what did it do? What did price do? 1050 macro is all the way up here. I probably wouldn't have even taken a trade this. Why would I trade this? This is not a setup right here. There's no retrace, no nothing. It should have been a no trade day. Let's be real. There was a setup kind of, but not really. Not something that I like. It was a very choppy day, but hey, you win some, you lose some. You can't really do nothing about it. You risk manage tomorrow. Hey, let's come back at it again strong and drill the setup. That's all that I can do. Drill the setup tomorrow, and that's it. The trade that could have happened was probably NQ, because I know that the other chart NQ actually took this low out, but like, I mean, there's not really a setup. It's not a 5-minute retrace or nothing. So that is it. I lost 1% today. That doesn't matter because we risk manage and we keep grinding tomorrow. If you stay long enough in the game, you will make money because your profits are 1 to 3 ratios. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's just a small little trade recap, and I'll see you guys.